Hey folks, just wanted to talk about Bank of America. Just the other week, just released this report that they feel like AI is going to make tech stocks take off. It says we are entering the fifth industrial revolution with artificial intelligence. More data is created per hour today than in an entire year just 2 decades ago. And global data is expected to double every 2 years. The data we are creating is increasing exponentially, and we need AI to analyze and interpret it. New applications are being developed constantly that require more data, holograms, metaverse, brain-computer interfaces, and eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, are just some of the technologies that will be very data heavy. So, the interesting thing is they did this little graph about this interest in ChatGPT with TikTok, and the graph is like it just climbed overnight. So what was the other thing down here? They say a 15 trillion market by 2030. AI could contribute up to USD 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. While open data that anyone can access using share, has potential to unlock 3.2 trillion to 5.4 trillion in economic value annually. So I can see where this can happen. I mean, I've been a tech guy for most of my career out in the business world, and I've always been a tech guy from the time I got out of high school, went into college, got into programming, and I've seen a lot of changes. And I think with the boom in AI, all this recent hype in AI, and I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, but I can see where if you just invested in an ETF fund like Vanguard Information Tech. This is not a paid advertisement, but if you just look at the 1 day on this tech stock, and this is a group of tech stocks in an electronic traded fund. Apple, Microsoft, a lot of your tech companies are in this group, in this stock. They buy just groups of different stocks in one listing, and when your money goes into this ETF, your money's getting split out among these stocks that they're invested in. So the value of them spreading the investments on multiple stocks, the ones that drop, are going to be countered with ones that are going up at the same time. But what if all the tech stocks that they have in this goes up? Look at the let's do the 5-year max. 5 year. Look at the 5 years on this chart. From 2019, this stock was 158.68. So now at closing, $437.68. If you start buying into this, if it's offered as part of your retirement, I think this right here, this is going to continue to climb. I mean, in 2019, the low was 169. This is just 4 years ago, and it's already up I mean, it hit 462 here, and then it dropped. What's the low right here? Down to 300. So it lost $100. It's lost $100, and then it went back up, and it's hit 437. So I think this has potential to really take off, and electronic traded funds are safer. Like I said, you're investing in a group of stocks, and these are like household name stocks, tech stocks that this group is in. So there's a lot of potential here. I think with the I really feel like the Bank of America article, I think they're probably on the money. I think this is the next big run that's going to hit us with AI. AI is the next big thing. It really is. It's going to be part of the metaverse. And just the way people are using it to create content for social media, YouTube videos, different things. People are using AI now. It's just overnight to write software programs. There's a co-worker of mine that's like, if he runs into a snag on trying to figure out how to write code for something, he'll go out and use ChatGPT and say, can you write me a function to do this? And it's like, within a few minutes, he's got a complete function that he can plug into his software and it will work. So things are changing. Our world is changing. I mean, I have seen, when I was young, we had black and white TV. We didn't have color TV. So I'm telling my age, I've been around a few years. But I think this is the next big thing. AI is really going to make a lot of these tech stocks take off. So I'm going to leave the links below. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. Might be something you want to look into. And keep your eye on. I don't think VGT is going anywhere. Vanguard is a very, very, very stable ETF. As you can see right there, I mean, it's been a steady climb since 2018, 2019. It's quadrupled. I mean, if you bought in 2019 in this Vanguard information tech fund, you would have quadrupled your money, your investment. So I think it's well worth keeping an eye on. I think this is something. I mean, just if you're young and you're working on your retirement, and then you have this Vanguard fund that's that's available as part of your portfolio for your retirement account. If you're on like E-Trade, or if you're like on Fidelity, American Century, any of these retirement companies, it may be well worth looking into using this Vanguard fund as part of your portfolio. Am I saying to buy into it? No, but I think you should read up on it. My advice is to read up on it, keep an eye on it, and make your own decisions of what do you think. I really think AI is really taking off, and AI right now currently is the next big thing, and it's going to make a difference in a lot. I mean, Microsoft has implemented AI in their search engine and Bing. Google is implementing AI. There's all these tech companies are embracing AI and including AI, artificial intelligence, in their products. So it's a positive thing. It's a positive thing. There's a lot of positive news right now about AI, and there's a lot of positive reasons to look into AI for helping you do your work. So I'd give it a look. Just wanted to make this video and bring it to your attention. And like I always say, though, anything can be a risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm just Jerry D in Tennessee, just a crusty old man talking about stocks. And keep it real when you invest. Keep your roof over your head, lights on, food on the table, and clothes on those children. And just keep it real. Don't invest anything you can't afford to lose. But if I really think that this ETF is probably a pretty good idea if you want to consider adding it to your retirement portfolio. Just give it a look. Read up about it. If you're in Fidelity or any of these other companies, with a retirement account, look it up and read up on it. Look at the stocks, Microsoft, Apple, just a couple of the stocks that's in this thing. It's worth a look. I really think it's worth a look. Anyway, I just wanted to say something about that. I hope you're having a good weekend. Hope you've had a good week. And hopefully this next week will be a good, profitable week for you. But anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a good week this next week. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh, my word. Cloudy day, looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.